It's a 2019 Cadillac Escalade ESV. Cadillac was meticulous about what went into building this Escalade ESV so you can get whatever you want out of it. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Ecotec 3 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking assist, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. From Kelley Blue Book, we feel the Escalade ESV delivers the smoothest and most comfortable ride offered on a body-on-frame vehicle. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.